process your data file when it has these things, nothing's height. Remember, is point name, comma, easting coordinates, comma, nothing coordinates, comma, height. Then arrange in the serial order of the first point serially to the last. Then process data. It will give you options of plotting height and traverse. If this is a traverse exercise like mine, click on process traverse. If you want to plot height of any of these options, you click them. This is traverse. Then choose the particular point where you want AutoCAD to position your orientation point or north arrow. Then if you uncheck any of these, they won't be plotted in AutoCAD. Then send your job to AutoCAD from this button. And this prompt wants you to fetch your plan. Click and escape. It is plotted with the orientation point at the position. You can edit the name, pasted coordinates, edit your certificate. You can position this to a verge layer, then which you can switch on to see the verging. The job is plotted with bearings and distances.